Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for that one-of-a-kind property with a prestige community with well-designed homes? If your answer is yes, well, we have here a split-level, 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home for sale. Currently 80% complete. It lends itself to an immaculate layout with a balcony leading from your primary bedroom to enjoy the view of the community and starlights. It is located in Avondale Heights, Mandeville, Manchester. Each bedroom has its own bathroom to tantalize your taste buds with that modern contemporary look, with a breathtaking view of its environs. It also comes with a double car garage, well laid out kitchen, and enough space for entertaining family and friends. The floor space is 4,500 square feet and sits on 0.25 acres of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.